Today on Cravings Food Adventures, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple roasted rice. This rice, typically a glutinous rice, is going to be cooked up together with some spices like coriander and white pepper, and I'm also going to be adding some peanuts. It's then going to be coarsely ground, and you can use this to cook up with any other protein. You can just steam it in banana leaf, or you can even put it in parchment paper, and it turns out delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. In a hot wok, I'm going to add 1 cup of jasmine rice. The rice is more than I will need for this recipe, but I always like to make extra to store it for another time. It'll take a few minutes to start changing color, but once it turns a light brown, it can go to black very quickly, so do keep stirring it. I'm now going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, and 1 tablespoon of white peppercorns. Allow this to cool completely. Once cool, add this to a spice grinder and grind it till it's coarse. You want to make sure you don't overgrind this. You want to have little bits of rice and spices in each bite. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. It's a very basic recipe. I hope that you will try it, make a double or triple batch, put it in a bottle, and you can store it in your pantry for a long time. If you love this recipe, guys, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this recipe, and also share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.